Okay, day 2 in Rome. We're gonna go on a bike tour, so this should be fun. Not sure how this is gonna go, or what we're gonna do. I don't want to film it so you guys will be able to see.
Try to cover the truck behind you, just a second. And a professional photographer told me that this is the best position to take a picture. For me it's good because I look taller than I am.
Definitely recommend doing the bike tour. I'll give you this dude's name and address here in Italy. See that? The Italian youth partying at the aqueduct. I wish that I had 10,000 YouTube subscribers by tomorrow morning. Don't think it's gonna happen, but if it does, it'd be cool. TikTok's easy, YouTube's a lot harder. Check this place out. We just had dinner here, it was pretty good. So if you guys are in Rome, check this place out. And all you wine lovers, plenty, big selection here. Wine cooler. This is the restaurant. Picasso. No, just joking. Okay, they got a little surprise for us at the restaurant, so we're gonna go check it out. Let's go see what we got. See, you never know who you're gonna meet when you just socialize with people in Rome.
Oh my! Allora, in this is term Agrippa term. Like the Agrippa, the name is an important name, the Roman name, and the construction, the Pantheon. And the term is Paramor. This is our wine cellar.
Look at that.
Cellar.
How cool is that? They got a wine cellar.
Okay. In the night with the candles, it's very atmosphere and it's very romantic, but also for a camera. This is not the light. Okay, so yeah, comes out. Yeah. And this is the camera. This is
Look at this. You never even know this place was here unless they showed us. Look at this. It's all underground like the old Roman aqueducts.
This town, this city is a museum.
Now, if you come here, you can't tell anybody you know where this place is at. Secret. Look at this. Lira. The hidden secret of Rome. Tell you they're everywhere. Never know unless you ask. We've been at several restaurants in Rome. This is probably one of the better ones. So if you guys have a chance to get over here at some point in your life, check this place out. I'll give you the name. Here's the name. Let me know. Would you guys ride on the back of a motorcycle if a girl was driving? I just said no way, but I think I probably would. Comment and let me know if that's just uncool or not.